Well, so far PTML as it is, we are very prepared. Everything has been put in place to any beneficiary that will eventually win the auction. We have, first of all, we have very capable officers that have been briefed on how to handle these procedures. Once there is a winner on this auction procedure, the officers are ready, and it's a seamless situation where you present the document you bidded, and after paying the required amount, the officer goes through to confirm that you are the beneficiary, you are the winner of that bid. Then you go to the terminal operator, you pick up your vehicle. Well, like we've been saying all through the time, PTML is one of the safest places. Cargoes can be kept. From my experiences here, it's not just a terminal, like I always say, it's a model port, and the security is very tight. For you to access the port you must be verified. It's not just a port where you just walk in and walk out. I think Grimaldi, as far as I'm concerned, are very serious in terms of the security situation here. It's very tight. You need to present why you are here. You need to have business with them before they allow you access. So most of the cargoes within the port are highly and heavily guarded. I think from my inspection of the port facility, it's one of the best we can get in the country. So cargoes within the premises are very secured. We've not had cases of any vandalism as far as I'm concerned. None has been reported. So I believe all the cars in their custody, whoever wins a bid is going to get this vehicle exactly as it came into the country. So I don't think we have any bad situation or any bad report in terms of vandalism. Well, we have about 1,427 vehicles. Then we have 72 containers. Right now, the vehicles are what are being worked on the auction site, which all of us know on Tuesday from 12 to 6 in the evening. So whoever is interested, you go on the website, you bid. When you win, it's a straightforward thing, very transparent. You don't need anybody, you don't need to know anybody. So far, people coming forward that have won, I have never seen them before now, except they come with their allocation letter, they pick up their vehicles. Nobody knows, you don't need to know anybody to go on that website. You bid just like any other Nigerian is free to bid. But the bidding has to come, you must have your TIN number, you must have that's the procedure put in place in order to have a very seamless procedure. You have to be recognized through your TIN number. You must have a registered company with the TIN number, verified TIN number. That way you'll be able to access the auction website and you bid freely. When you bid freely, you win, you present your document and you carry your vehicle. So it's as seamless as that. No, but like we know, PTML is a roll-on port. So most of the time, I think, is abandonment. People are, maybe due to one reason or the other, they are unable to clear, or sometimes basically I think is abandonment. When you abandon your vehicle within a period of time, it becomes overtime, and once it's overtime, government has no option. The procedure states that It has to be auctioned, and that's exactly what we are doing. We are strictly in line with laid down procedure of disposing abandoned cargoes in the port. If not, the congestion, new cargoes will not be able to come in. There won't be space for new cargoes to come in. So the ones abandoned they have to be auctioned, which is in line with procedures laid down. No, it's over time is it 3 months? 3 months, about 90 days, that is. Once it goes into 90 days, it becomes an overtime. So, and the cargoes will now be subjected to the procedures we are having today. The advice basically is my officers, as far as I'm concerned, they are doing the due diligence. They don't have any much part to play other than given to processing and ensuring that payment on these auctions are made. That is it. You identify who is presented, then you give him the original of the auction paper later. That's all. That's the part of. Then for the beneficiaries, and those will be beneficiaries, I think the auction side is open to everybody. If you are interested, you go online, ensure that you have a registered company, ensure that you have a TIN number that is verified, then off you go. You are free, just like any other Nigerian. There is no special thing required. And these things are put in place in order to enhance orderliness, in order to be able to identify whoever wins this thing is on record. So anybody that wants to verify can come in, audit and verify that this is the person that won this thing. It's not for me to say, it's left for every Nigerian that want to investigate and find out. This thing is very clear, is very transparent, and I'm telling you, as far as we are concerned, it's very, very transparent. It's open to everybody that is willing to take part in it.